Hello, Shadowcraft here. Welcome back to my channel. I have released a few more stuff on my Halloween channel, so go check that out. But today, I'm demolding some charms and keychains. Yes, I had to cut this one up because it bowed for some reason. I don't know why, and I don't know how. But do you like my dragons? For some strange reason, they bowed up. I think it's because I put the UV resin on it. So I'm going to make keychains out of those. And we got some butterflies. It's like 3 days since I poured this. And yes, I'm calling it demolding therapy because it's actually kind of fun and it helps me relax. So I'll probably be doing more of these. And of course, I have to sand them down. I think the next batch I'm going to make is going to be green and yellow to keep up with the Easter thing. I would have done it sooner, but I've been having tooth problems and migraines. The weather keeps changing. Like this morning, it snowed. So yeah, my body is not caught up to any of that. I'm getting too old for the winter changes. And thank you, Marcy, for sending me this stuff. It gives me so much extra to do. I actually kind of like making the smaller stuff sometimes. I've got so many different things to put on them. These were like the dreads from pouring, and it looks pretty cool. Hotel key tabs. And it's still wobbly. Marcy, how long does it take for them to fully cure? It's got a few bubbles. It's not too bad. Almost perfect. I almost made a perfect one. right? What about this one? Almost perfect. So I gotta wait a few more weeks, perhaps. I don't know. But yeah, next batch, yellow and green. Well, that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. If you wish to do more, please check the About section. Have a great day, and let me know if it snowed in your area. Much love to you and yours and anybody who needs it. Namaste.